Oh, about lost my rod there. We got ourselves a fish though. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Northern Millennial. Today we're gonna do a little bit of kayak fishing. It's nice, hot and muggy, but gonna go out, give her a shot. Pretty much just gonna troll with a beetle spin until hopefully a guy finds some fish, and then maybe do a little casting and whatnot. But yeah, quick little video maybe. Let's try it out. All right, guys. So we're just gonna take our beetle spin we got right here. I'm gonna take that. I do have a steel leader because there is a lot of little pike in here. And I'm just using what do I got today? Same rod I've been using. 7 foot medium action. You know, it's a little bit heavier, but got the Autism Anglers reel on it. Yeah, I better get my paddle ready. But all we're gonna do is give it a decent little cast behind us. Close the bail, set the rod in the holder, and wait till something grabs onto it, I guess. I think I'm gonna switch out my plastic because I should have had a bite by now. What should I go with? I think I'm gonna put on one of these white misted twisters. Let's try that. Never go wrong with a white misted twister. To this next stop coming up. Oop! I got a fish. Ooh, feels good too. What are you? Unless it's weeds. Please be a fish, but I think it's weeds. No, that must be. Yeah, that's gotta be. Yeah, that's a fish. Ooh, feels like we got one of them northerns I was telling you about. Haven't been able to see them yet. I can see the swirls. Ooh, walleye. There we go. That's a nice surprise. And it's an eater too. Look at that. Ouch. Ouch. Oop, 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 oop. Losing my rod. Perfect. Awesome. Let me get situated here. It's a little bit of a mess. Rod wanted to go to the bottom of the lake. Well, there we go. Look at that. That's not a bad little walleye we got there. Yeah. That's definitely an eater. He's probably 15 inches or so. I'm in my uncle's kayak. I don't know if there's even a stringer in here, but I know he's got a cubby behind. We'll throw him in the cubby. There we go. Alrighty, folks. Well, I'm glad I made that lure change, even though he might have bit on something else. But that was on the beetle spinning white Mr. Twister trolling. So, and right where I caught him was only about 6-7 feet of water, so it must still be up pretty shallow. Oh, about lost my rod there. We got ourselves a fish though. That wasn't supposed to go like that, but I'm glad we didn't lose our rod. Wonder what kind of fish we got. Ooh, looks like we caught a crappie. Ooh, a nice one too. Come here, buddy. How did that crappie almost rip my rod out, but that walleye didn't? Get ourselves situated again. There. Look at that. Caught ourselves a crappie. Yeah, that's a pretty nice one. I think he'll get ate up too. All right. There we go. The old Mr. Twister, or the old beetle spin strikes again. Oh, got another fish. There we go. There we go. Yeah. Yeah, usually right after Memorial Day, there's usually a decent amount of fish sitting right out in front of you. And I've tried casting for them, it doesn't work. I always have to troll, which is weird. Another crappie though. Another eater crappie. Oh, come here, buddy. Yep. Beetle spins are by far my favorite lure. Oop, let me move this. Maybe we can use both camera angles, I don't know. But, yep, another good eater. Look at that. Oh, yep. There we go. I'm not gonna lie, guys. The fishing's a lot better than I thought it would be today. Because it has been about, I think truck said about 87 degrees and bluebird skies with no wind all day long. Pretty much soon as I was just about to come out, then we got some clouds. It almost looked like it was going to rain. But yeah, it turned out to be perfect weather and perfect fishing. So let's make sure our plastic's good. Let's do a couple more passes through here and see what else we can catch. Oh, there's a fish. Try some here. What kind of fish do we got now? Feeling like some sort of a panfish. Almost feels like a bluegill. What do we got? Oh, nope, I lied. It is one of them northern pikes. Just a little baby one. Yep, and that is why we run a steel leader, because of these little guys all over in here. Little dink. I'm really surprised it took that long. Oop, 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 oop. There we go. I think I figured out. They're jumping on the surface. Set that there. Hopefully that doesn't get in the way there. Kinda. That was definitely a crappie or a bass though, because I didn't see it, but I heard it on the surface there. So I think we found the school crappie. I gotta try and memorize where we're at here on the lake. Okay, don't get off, buddy. Come here. Who decided to bring the longest rod he owns out here? There we go. Oofta. Let me get more organized. folks, and I will show you this lure. I don't think he was getting off if he wanted to. Look how deep that beetle spin is. That is all the way to the back. Well, it popped out pretty easily, so he might have. Oh, there we go. There's a nice 10.5, 11-inch crappie. He'll eat up. See if we can catch one reeling in before I throw it back out. We got some. What do we got? Looks like we got another crop. Hopefully this one doesn't pop off neither. Right as the pontoon's coming by too, of course. Look at that. Another good eater crappie. It's not a huge mix of minnows out here. Ooh, there we go. Ooh, I don't think that, if that's a crappie, that's a really nice one. But that sure, what are you? Oh, that is a crappie. Oofda. That one's not a keeper. He's too big, but that's definitely a nice one. Caught ourselves a nice. Like I said, it's been a hot minute since I've kayak fished. But that one there's nice 14-incher, I think. 13, 14. Not a real bad crappie. Nice one to see, but he's a little bit big for me to clean. So he gets to go back into that weed edge there. God, it's so weird. I'm just so mind blown that I'm actually catching fish right here. Specifically crappie. This is usually, if you're going to catch a perch open water, this is where you're going to do it. Try it back behind us. I might actually be inside a weed line right now. So, not sure. I know when I was oh, there we go. There's a fish. I guess I think we were on the inside of that weed line. What kind of fish do I got? Feels pretty good. Can't see though. Like I said, this water's pretty dirty and it's staying down. We got ourselves a walleye. Look at that. I will take that every day of the week. Man. Yep, don't ever listen to anyone that says you can't catch walleye with a steel leader on. Barely even hooked. Beetle spin, white Mr. Twister. $1.50. Look at that. Let me hold them a little bit better for you guys. Look at that. That's probably 15.5-incher, 16-inch walleye. All I did was let that beetle spin sink the bottom on this weed line to break. That's it. Well, guys, I think that's going to wrap it up. We didn't have a bad day, especially for an unexpected fishing trip. I mean, we caught 2 walleye, a little baby northern, and lost the 1 crappie, put 1 back, so 6 crappie or so. Not a bad way to spend a whole hour and a half or so out on the lake. Hope you enjoyed this video. Stay out there. Good luck. Till next time.